Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay? So yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay perception of light. Okay? So, ito yung spell ng kanyang name sa FB page niya. Okay? So, yeah, don't forget to follow. Thank you! And, yeah, kung may mga tanong rin pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, so, message lang po, okay? Available, oo, lahat ngayon dahil dumating ang ating mga tawag dyan, orders, okay? And, yeah, ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet na nilalagyan natin ng name or initial ng pangalan ng gagamit. No? So, makikita nyo may iba't iba yung color ng evil eye. So, meron niyang kanya-kanyang ganap. Okay? This is adjustable. This is for unisex. Oo. Okay? And, ito pa ang ating evil eye necklace. Okay, so ganyan siya. Palagi ko yung i-flex, ha? Oo, para makita nyo everyday na hindi naman siya talaga nagta-tarnish, na? Oo, okay. Yes, ginagamit ko rin yon. Oo, kapag nalabas ako. No? And yeah, may extender yon. Oo, yung para maia-adjust nyo yung length, no? Nung necklace. Okay, and syempre, ito naman si evil eye ring na palagi kong suot. Yes, kung makikita nyo naman, kahit nasa labas ako, suot ko to. No? Oo. So, this is adjustable. Okay? Adjustable and non-fading. Oo. Non-tarnish. Depende sa paggamit. Okay? Oo. Siyempre, hindi naman ito real gold. Okay? No. No, 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 no. Okay. And, yeah. Okay, sorry. So, ito naman ang ating isa pang design ng ating bracelet. Okay, pare-pareho lang naman kung anong laman. Okay, pare-pareho lang. Pero kung anong likings nyo, kung anong gusto nyo, yun, doon kayo. Okay, for unisex. Itong ating bracelet. Pero yung necklace and itong ring is for ladies, no? Pero, yung darating na isa. Okay, so I think next week ko ipopost yung bago nating necklace, no? For unisex yun. Okay, yes, babae ka man, lalaki ka man, pwede sa'yo yun. Okay, and, hindi ko alam kay admin kung meron pa, no? Kasi ang dami nagpapa-reserve. Okay, si admin na lang ang kausapin nyo pagdating dyan. Okay, I don't know. Kagulo. Kagulo na ang person. Oo, kagulo na. Kasi sobrang limited yung slot nun. Ha? Sobrang limited. I don't know kung kailan pa ulit ako makakapaggawa noon. So, unahan na lang, no? Oo, bagong-bago yun. Okay? And, yes, design ko mismo. Okay? Yes, wala kayong makikita nun kung kahit saan. Kasi design ko yun and yeah, may sarili yung kung anumang nakapaloob. Okay? So, yeah, let's start. Okay. Air signs. Ano bang dapat nyong malaman? Messages, energy check-ins, and prediction. Okay. Init-init kanina. Umulan, oo. Sumingaw. O, diba? Ano bang meron for you? Four of Wands. The Five of Coins. Okay. So, meron ditong energy na pwedeng gagastos, no? Gagastos, paggastos sa bahay. Yes. Okay. So, specific po yun, ha? Something regarding, apat na sulok. Okay? Apat na sulok. Pwedeng bahay, may magre-rent, ganyan. Okay? A responsibility, maybe this is bills, I don't know. May mga bayarin rin. Okay? may ano, something, eto ha, specific. Meron ditong energy, whether sa bahay man, sa workplace man, parang may mawawala. May mawawalan. Okay? Secure yung things nyo, stuff. Okay? May iwan, ganyan. Seven of Swords. The Three of Swords in reverse. Be careful with this, tawag dito. Air sign like you. Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. This person, ang nakuha ko sa kanya is hindi ito totoo sa'yo. Okay? Andito yung manipulasyon. So, gugustuhin nito na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos, pero their intention is not good. Okay? Hindi ko nakikitang tama ang intention nito. May something lang. Kaya gugustuhin nilang magkaroon ulit kayo ng reconnection, maybe. Okay. Meron ditong nag-iisip. Sobrang iniisip ka. Or iniisip mo. May nag-aalala. Dahil hindi ma-reach out. Dahil hindi ma-contact. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Swords. Secure your houses. Okay? Kung aalis kayo. Secured nyo. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Lock. All doors. Windows. Gates. Okay? Pwedeng may, lalo na nga kung aalis nga kayo, no? Or kung lalayo kayo ngayon, yeah, matik yan para sa iba. Alam nyo yung ano, bantay sa lakay. May ganyan, ha? Okay? Tatimingan kayo nyan. Yeah, may nagpaplano dito. The High Priestess. Kung matalino sila, mas matalino ka, ha? Okay? Someone is meron ditong nagtitik-tik. Ha? Energy na parang nagtitik-tik. Parang ganyan. Kung may mga CCTV kayo, mas maganda gamitin nyo. Hindi yung design lang. Okay? Yeah. Someone is parang feeling stuck pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. A lot of swords. A lot of thinking. Ganyan. Silence. Communication. Ang nandito rin. Ang daming mananamantala. Ha, air signs? Okay. So, yeah. Yun lang nakukuha ko for you. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong message for you? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay, anong message for you? The Moon. The Hierophant. Someone is hiding a secret. Okay, someone is hiding a secret. There's a surprise coming in. Okay. A surprise visit might be. Okay. Someone is sad or confusing. Pwedeng Pisces, pwedeng Cancer. Tandaan nyo yung mga panaginip nyo. May mga sign na ipapakita. Okay? Kung ano man yun, I don't know. The Emperor. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Pwedeng meron ditong magre-reject ng offer. Okay? Or, yeah. The Emperor, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Someone is too busy. Kaya wala nang time for love. Some of you, maybe. Okay, you're a fire sign. You're, yeah, Aries. Itong Emperor. Okay. Meron ditong boss na secretly falling for you. Fire signs. There's a boss. Secretly. Yeah. Falling. Na? Okay. The Four of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. Yeah, parang di open pagdating sa love or sa connection, yung iba sa inyo. Okay, be careful with third parties. Ha? Yeah. Be careful. Meron ditong nananamantalang tao, no? Like, igagrab nito yung opportunity. Yeah. Pwedeng may kailangan kayo sa kanila and then igagrab nila yon and then gagawin nila yung gusto nila pagdating sa'yo. Parang control ka, parang hawak ka na nito. Kung sino man to. Okay? Someone is committing infidelity. Yeah. Okay. I'm seeing separation. For some of you, I'm sorry. Okay. So there. Yung iba sa inyo ha. Ito ha. Yung mga makaka-end o makaka-separate separation o ninyo in the near future, hindi yun yung para sa inyo talaga kasi there's someone talaga na paparating and yun yung para sa inyo. Okay? So, yun. So, don't be sad. Next. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Messages for you, water signs, please. For water signs. Messages. Water signs. Okay. Ang dami kong nakukuha. Simula kay, pangalan to, kay air sign, kay fire sign, hanggang sa'yo, water sign, present to. Pag alis to, pagta-travel, ang daming magta-travel siguro. Ang daming maglilipat ng bahay or, yun nga, lalabas ng bahay. No? Okay, Four of Wands, the Chariot in reverse. Okay, so nakakuha ko dito. Yes, this is traffic. No? Traffic. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Delay. Okay, something. Some of you, before traveling, fix or maybe check, no? Kung may mga sarili kayong sasakyan. Okay, to avoid problems. No? Habang kayo nasa road. Okay. Check. Check. O, diba? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may hindi matuloy. Yeah. Okay. Mga specific po yun ha, pero in general, this is talking about stability, no? Pero hindi ko nakikitang nagkakaroon ng progress pagdating sa stability. Okay. Some of you, energy ito ng isang relasyon na hindi na nag-grow. Yeah. With a Cancerian or with a fire sign. The Fool in reverse. Be careful. The Nine of Cups. Okay. So, ang naririnig ko rito is, okay lang kahit mabagal, no? Basta safe. Yeah. Okay? Okay lang kahit mabagal, basta safe. Okay lang kahit sobrang slow to know, or I mean slow, no? Slow action or slow movement, pero sure. Like that. Okay. May marireschedule. May mariresched. Okay. The Two of Swords in reverse. Yeah. Decisions. Yeah. The Five of Wands in reverse. Decision na pwedeng ah, para makaiwas sa isang problem or sa isang drama. Okay? Mhm. May makikipag-ayos because importante ka sa kanila. Okay? May makikipag-ayos. So, some of you, you're on, path ng, ang tawag dyan, sa healing process. No? Tama, yung ginagawa, no? Ng iba. Pero hindi lahat. Okay, iba kasi dito, sabihin kong takot pa rin na piliin na mag-heal. Okay? So, yeah. Someone is, sabihin nating in love sa'yo. Pero they're afraid. Yes. Why? Dahil yung iba sa inyo, nasa higher vibration. Higher frequency than them. Okay. So, yun lang. Wala nang napasok. Okay. So, may mga mafi-fix something regarding, some of you, this is legalizations, no? May narinig ako lisensya. Baka may malimutan. Okay? License. Something, papers. I don't know. Before kayo mag-travel, if ever. Okay? Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Messages, please, for Earth signs. Okay. Eight of Coins in reverse. Apples. Okay. Pause. Pause. A break. No? Pagdating sa workplace or pagdating sa trabaho. Taking a break. Yeah. Two of Cups. I think this is just, an advice. Like an advice. Like, wag masyadong mag-focus pagdating sa work or pagdating sa kung ano man something na talagang pinag-focusan ninyo. Pwede kasing sa sobrang focus, may mga opportunity, no? May mga oportunidad na lumalagpas. Lumalagpas. Yes. Offers. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords. Nasasayang tuloy. Okay. Meron ditong situation na hindi na mag-workout or hindi nag-workout because may third party involved. Six of Wands Universe. The Six of Swords Universe. Hindi kayo bitawan ng mga ng mga may crab mentality. Ayaw kayong bitawan, no? Paulit to. Yung ayaw na nga sa'yo, pero lagi kang bukang bibig. Parang ganon. I don't know, bakit may mga naiinis sa inyo, earth signs? Maybe, hindi mo sila pinagbibigyan I mean, hindi mo sila binibigyan ng focus or effort or kung ano man, no? Kaya siguro ganon. Yeah. The Hierophant. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, okay? Pagdating sa workplace, pwedeng kayo yung parang pinag-iinitan eh. Yes. Kayo yung pinag-iinitan or andun yung jealousy ng mga coworker pagdating sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng kahit sabihin nilang ginagawa nila yung dapat, pero ikaw pa rin. Yung iba sa inyo, effortless. Yeah. May offer dito, ha? Okay? Some of you, this is an offer regarding commitments. Big responsibilities, okay? Yeah. An offer na pwedeng yun nga eh. Lumalagpas. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan talagang wag masyadong mag-focus sa kung anong meron. Okay? Tumingin-tingin naman kayo kaliwa kanan. Ha? Okay? Maraming energy na lumalagpas na pwedeng sabihin nating nagiging miss opportunity. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, this is relationship. Yes. Na pwede kong sabihin pang long term. And may chance ng marriage dito. Kaso nga lang masyadong focus, no, sa career, sa kaperahan, sa trabaho, kung ano man. Yeah. And yes, kailangan dito po ng balance, no, balansihin. Okay? So, yeah. Yeah, see the 7 of Wands. So, I think may blockage na nangyayari. Okay? So, kung makita tong Ace of Pentacles in reverse, there is energy na marireject. I don't know why. Yeah, the Queen of Coins in reverse. Yung iba rito sa mga kasal na dyan, and I think nagtatry mag-conceive. Some of you may sabihin nating may problem, no? Oo, you need to see a doctor. Yeah, you need to see a doctor. Tingnan nyo. May pera dito. Hindi pwedeng mawawala sa inyong reading to. Itong dalawang to. Yes. Okay. Basta earth sign. Lalabas yang dalawang yan. Queen of Coins in reversed. Yung iba sa inyo may parang maglalambing nanay mo, tatay mo. Okay? Yes. Yung iba sa inyo may magdaramdam dahil nakapag-compromise ka na. Like naka-oo ka na. Parang ganyan. Tapos suddenly, something will came up. Ganun ang makikita kung iti-text nyo or chat ninyo to someone. Okay? Something came up. Oh, yes. Social. O, diba? Something came up. No? Oo. Okay. I don't know, ha? There's a delay. A delay. Okay. So, yun lang ang aking nakuha sa inyo. All signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.